Hello and welcome back after watching or after learning rope magic tricks, right? Okay, I hope you have loved it because I really love this rope magics because they are amazing. You can perform again these rope magics in a close-up area, and you can also work it out in a platform. See, many illusionists in the world and the moment also perform these rope magics, right? So the one of the best I really like is this cutting and restoring rope. Okay, so this is an amazing magic. You just take a rope, cut it into two parts, and restore it. So it looks amazing, and I think you should practice this cutting and restoring as much as possible. I'm sure, and I love that this becomes a real part of your items in your magic show, definite part of your magic show. There is okay, and just practice it well. Practice again. I'm stressing it on the practice part because the more you practice, you will able to perform it much more better and create a kind of a story around it. Weave a story because story is very important. There are so many stories you can create that on maybe, for example, say I just created a story on how it is important for you to reduce your expenditures, otherwise like life will be things. So when you reduce expenditure, your savings will be intact. So like that, so you can use it more because you will be doing many corporate shows and you will be doing stories among children. So you have to give a kind of a message through your magic. So when you want to give a kind of message through your magic, I think you need to weave around stories, and cutting and restoring itself is a beautiful magic. You can weave around message around it and you can perform it, right? Okay, now coming to straight rope. Now there are various stories about this straight rope and rising rope. So we have given this a fundamental foundation of what is the straight rope, but maybe I'm not going to reveal you. Maybe the straight rope is one way. This technology or this method is used for higher illusions, but at the moment you need to understand why we have given this straight rope in this illusion, so that you can understand one of the fundamentals. And there are various magicians, street magicians, who perform like in near the sea. They take a rope and the rope starts and getting higher and higher. That rises, these rope starts rise. And there are many versions, like a child climbs the rope and suddenly he disappears. But this is in this foundational course I have given this so that you understand, and you can use this also as your repertoire. Now magical knots are itself a visual magic, and it's like kind of an insta magic which takes place. So there are like various higher versions, but I think you should practice this three knots, magical three knots. And this requires a little practice. So many times it happens that if it comes on the right places, I think it looks very magical. So why I wanted to do practice, because by practice you will get the perfect positioning of this three magical ropes. Now come to the impossible rope escape. Now this is the area where you enter into something called as escapology, because I have explained the types of magic in the previous videos. So one of them is escape. So escape is like you are tied in something and you suddenly escape out of it. So this is one of the easiest escape you can create, and it looks amazingly visual. If you can master this rope tricks, and you're going to be recognized as an expert magician. So please practice them well, and take yourself to a kind of a professional on the roadmap to become a pro magician. Okay, all the best. Let's now go. Let's now venture into the world of illusions. I request you to really have a look at this, because now illusions are those branch of magic which deals with living things. Living things means you can yourself be a living thing. You can use a bird and a dove or something else. But these whatever that I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you in these you can use it for your higher purpose, higher illusions when you want to create. But these are the, I am just giving it as an introduction to the world of illusions, right? So see you, just I request you to watch these videos, and then we will then come back to this follow-up video of mine. Okay, see you, bye bye.